What's going on, guys? My name's Finn, and in today's video, we're gonna break down all of the parts and pieces that go into an Airlift Slam Series strut. All right, so here all the parts are. Let's break them down one by one. First up is gonna be the locking nut. Next up, we have the thrust bearing, followed by the retaining clip, your upper spacer, the top hat, the lower spacer, and two plastic washers. Next, we have the heart of the strut, the air spring itself. And finally, because this is a Slam Series strut, we have the shock body and lower mount all in one part. So that covers all of these parts and pieces. Let's put it back together and talk some more. First up, we have the shock body and the lower mount. Next up, we're gonna add the two plastic washers, and followed by our lower spacer. Next up, the top hat can be installed, and then the upper spacer can be installed and held in place with a retaining clip. Yes, sir. Boom. And then the thrust bearing can go on top, and followed up with the final piece of the puzzle, the locking nut. So there you have it. That's all of the parts and pieces that make up your Slam Series strut. Now to pick yourself up a set of Slam Series struts or any of the parts listed in this video, head over to bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop.